Nakaka-stress pala ito. Dapat calm music.
Ah!
Pag sumobra, pangit yung lasa niyan. I-ano mo, i-flat mo sa food your fingers!
Ano ba?
Di mo nilagay sa bowl! Kuya, ayusin mo!
Ano?
What's up, party people? So I'm here with my brother and my little sister Natalia, and today we are going to bake chocolate chip cookies with a twist!
And the twist is, we won't be able to use our senses.
One of us won't be able to see
Speak.
and hear. And now, it's time to identify kung sino susuot nitong headphones, ito-tape yung bibig, or...
Magwa-blindfold.
Tama. Now, let's see kung sino ang hindi makakakita. 1, 2, 3, mga
Iba, hindi makakita. Ako yun. Kumaya sa akin, tahimik.
Tahimik ka lang.
Natalia
Tahimik lang sa...
will be muted.
Okay, so we're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies. And basically, since Natalia cannot speak, she'll be the one who's gonna read the instructions, how to bake the cookies, and then she'll have to like act it out for us, telling us what to do because she cannot speak. And me, since I can't hear, I'll have to figure out what Natalia's like saying, you know. And of course, help out my brother right here who cannot see, you know, whenever he needs to mix or like put things into the bowl. So yeah, this requires teamwork. So please, kaya natin to, Natalia. Nasa'yo yung instructions, ha? Hear anything?
I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's go. Okay, what?
Shucks, ano gagawin?
Tingnan mo si Nat. Sinasabi niya, sabihin
You're
mo.
talking to me, I cannot hear you.
Look at Nat. What he's saying? You tell me.
Wait. Don't stress me out. So we have bread flour. Or flour. Or...
Oh.
Why are you giving me everything? Which one do we use?
Oh. Ito.
Wait lang, I will tell you what to do. Natalia has to tell me first.
Okay, go. Binibigyan niya sa akin eh.
Move down there a little. This one first. Nakaka-stress pala ito. Dapat calm music.
Tagal.
1 cup of bread flour. Kuya, you have to open this. Careful, ah!
Okay, lagay. Ito.
There, medium bowl. Bowl? Bowl.
Hirap buksan.
Tell me what to do when he's done. Dahan-dahan, kasi dapat yung baking dapat sakto lang.
Okay.
Pag sumobra, pangit yung lasa niyan.
Lakas ng boses mo.
Naku, si Kuya pa talaga yung blind.
Okay, 1 scoop,
Kuya,
diba?
kailan sakto, ha?
Lang ingay mo,
Yan,
no?
tansya.
Ba't ayaw?
Hindi pa kasi bukas! Oh my God, I love this song. Okay, what you're holding is 1 cup. So, kailangan sakto, hindi sobra, hindi onte. Wait! Tapos i-ano mo dito, parang ipantay mo. Like, tap it to the board. Yeah, go, tap. Para pantay. Wag mo naman bawasan, tap lang, tap. Sige, go, okay na yan. 1 cup of bread flour.
1 cup, baby. Alright.
Okay. Calm down. Calm yourself. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Ito, buksan mo yan. Wait. Not all. Cup. 3 yan. 3 yan, ha. Yung sakto, ha. Ang dami!
Ha?
Wait.
Ano?
Ayusin mo. Tayo kakain yan. I-ano mo, i-flat mo sa food your fingers!
Ano ba?
Kuya, tinapan mo na!
Ha? Ito, diba?
You can like flatten with your finger like that. Okay, 1. No! Wait, sige. Yan. Last, yan. Ay, aba. Ang kalat. Yan, go. 2 teaspoons. Teaspoon ba to? Of baking soda.
2 teaspoons of baking soda. Saan yung baking soda? Bawal kayo
Wait.
ako
Ay, isa
maghahawak.
pala magbubukas. Ito. Okay, kaya mo yan. Shake that. Yan, 2 niyan, ah. Wait, don't be messy! Calm down. Yan, go. That was so unnecessary.
Okay.
Okay, and now, the best part, you mix. Mix it like responsibly. I'm playing the party rock anthem. Every day I'm shuffling. Stop mixing! Stop mixing! Now put it there. The whole thing? Follow what I'm saying because you can hear.
Okay, I'm gonna have butter.
I can't!
Okay, on ko na ha. Hindi ako makakita ha. Kailangan natin mag-ingat dito.
The other way, the other way, the other way. Yan.
Malakas
Ang
masyado.
lakas. Sige, hinaan mo. Onte, onte pa, onte pa. Hinaan mo, onte. Hinaan mo, onte. Now put the whole butter in there.
Wait lang, saan? Hindi ko makita. Ito. Ito.
Well, make sure it goes to the ano. Look, look. Give me your hand. Andito yung ano ah. Dahan-dahan na kasi ikaw maglilikpit niyan talaga. You might miss it, I swear.
Okay.
Let it melt. Yeah. Gently, gently, gently.
Naamoy ko na guys ang ating bata.
Turn off.
Turn off. Patay na.
Okay, it's off. Thank you. And then keep mixing. Baby tonight, the DJ got us falling. Ha?
What's next?
Put this in the bowl. Okay. Stop mixing. So dance, dance like it's the last night of your life. Don't. Ay. This baby tonight. Okay na. Okay, so now since you have the melted butter here,
Dapat nga
it's
wala kayong
yellow.
gagawin eh.
It's
Wala dapat sila. Ano
What?
ako lang dapat.
Careful ah.
Gagawin ko dito.
Yeah.
What?
Should I hold it? I'm scared.
What should I
Ito na
do?
lang. You have to put the butter there. Careful, it's melted ah. Careful ah, careful! There. Go. Uy!
Oy!
Uy!
Oy!
Uy! Follow
Ano
me,
ba?
follow me kasi sa iba na pupunta.
Huwag mo ko ano yun kasi.
Ayoko maglinis, guys.
Okay na?
So, next is brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. Where does he put it? Here? Okay. So, kuya, you have a bowl to your left.
Hot bowl.
Yan, it's there. Then 1 cup of brown sugar. You're holding brown sugar.
Ano na? Ito. Ito. Hoy.
Ha?
Ito.
1 cup, yeah.
Okay na? Okay.
Wait! Sabi ko, wait ka lang.
Tapos tama mo ako na.
Kailangan mo idahan-dahan, kuya. Kaya na nga may nagsasabi sa'yo kung anong gagawin, di ba? Para madali yung buhay mo. Up, 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 up. Go, lagay. Natalia is gonna hand you this. One whatever. What is this measure kasi? 1.5 cup.
What's this?
Ha?
Ano? Bakit?
I-ano mo? I-tap-tap mo. Sige, go. Okay na yan. Up! Nababawasan. Di niya naman ginagano ng pantay. Kuya, ayusin mo.
Ano? Bakit? Mali? Kulang? Kulang?
Kaya nga mahirap to pag baking. Kailangan sakto. Kuya!
Ano? What?
Di mo nilagay sa bowl!
Asan ba yung bowl?
2 teaspoons of, what's that? Vanilla flavor. Vanilla extract. Kuya.
Alam ko
Kuya,
tayo,
kuya, kuya,
chocolate.
wait. Kuya!
Ano?
You have to be gentle because you're holding a spoon that's very, very small. Bag sobra, matatapon lahat na sa bowl. Slowly lang, and then I say stop ah. Please, be gentle, be steady, be stabilized like a camera. Go.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you know what you're doing.
Dito.
Yan, sige. Wala pang lumalabas. Ayaw na kita pakawalan. Sige. I-ano mo parang...
Ano?
Wait!
Ano? Ano?
Wait, okay na yan. Go, lagay. Oh my God. Ang bango. One more. Ramdaman. Sige. Wait. Ay! Hindi mo
Ano?
mapatansyado yan.
Hindi eh. Ano?
Yan, okay na yan.
Ano?
Go!
Ida.
Can you know where first you're putting the thing?
Okay.
Okay, so, ito next. Wait. Kaya nga may nagsasabi kung sa'yo kung anong gagawin mo para masaya tayong lahat. Okay,
Game.
so, may inaabot si Natalia na ano yan. Cocoa, ano yan? Coffee? Coffee! Tapos yan, ito yung 1.5 teaspoon. Isa lang. Wait!
Ano?
Yan, okay na yan, go. Yan, okay na, isa lang. Sumisigaw na ba ako? Wait! Stop mixing! Okay, so, kuya, bitawan mo yan. Nandyan pa rin yan sa gitna Wala sa left, wala sa right. Si Natalia may inabot sa'yo yung butter na ginawa mo kanina sa bowl. Kunin mo. Now, wait lang. Lalagay mo sa bowl, dahan-dahan, ha? 1, 2, 3, go.
Uy!
Gently.
Huwag ka nagsalita. Ala, speaking ha.
Mix, it's like you're a
Gently,
baker. Damn. Kuya, kahit di kita naririnig, sa tingin mo ba, masarap yung magagawa natin ngayon?
Siyempre, kasi ako yung gumawa. Pag ako gumawa lagi.
Okay. Kahit di ko naintindihan. You mean, we have to put that? Kuya has to put an egg here? Crack? Diba? Diba egg? Crack. Dalawa. Kasi gaganon. So, i-separate. Once again, you have to be very gentle.
Okay.
You have to be mindful. Okay? So
Yes.
next, you're gonna be doing a very tricky one. So Natalia's gonna hand you an egg. 2 small bowls. And Natalia here has an egg. Get the egg. You don't crack it yet, wait.
Okay, I have an egg.
So basically, I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do before you do it, okay?
Okay.
So, you have to crack it, and then you know when bakers like... It's hard to speak when you can't hear yourself. You have to like separate the white and the yellow.
Paano ko gagawin yun?
Have you not seen that before?
No.
Like, you crack it, and then diba, dalawa, pag crack mo, and explain. Gentle. Open.
Okay.
Wala na. Oh my God, what does he do now?
Ano ba? Okay na?
Lagay mo lahat dito, lagay mo. Yan, okay. So, what now?
Kunin ko na lang.
What if he puts it back in the egg? And then, no? No? I know na. The bowl is here, the egg is there. You have to separate it in your own way. Sige. Wala ka nakuha, be. Wala talagang nakuha. Wait, gentle na. Dapat hindi masira yung yellow kasi wala na. Dapat dalawa. Wala na. Try mo dalawa. Yan. Sige, scoop mo yan lahat. Andito yung bowl. Ah! Okay, since onti lang nalagay mo at yung... Okay na! You're putting everything na. So, yung yellow kanina, nakuha mo pero hindi mo nalagay sa bowl.
Okay.
So, you're telling me he has to put this whole egg here.
What?
Okay, so andito na yung kaninang minix mo. Tapos you have to put the whole egg there.
Ayan.
No, crack it! No!
Ay.
You're taking me too
No.
seriously.
What?
Crack it like the egg. You don't eat the egg with the shell. Kuya, you're not doing it gently
Wait lang na nabasag
You know what you just did? And since you put the whole egg na, you have to put the yolk, the yellow one. The one on your left.
What?
Yan. That whole thing. Not the bowl. What's inside the bowl. There. You mix.
Mix.
Okay guys, so andito na yung minix niya kanina yung may sugar. Tapos andyan na din yung itlog. Tapos ano na yung gagawin? Lalagay na yung flour, kineme. Sige, mix. Kailangan yung consistency niya medyo ano. Ay! Consistency! Aray ko.
Oh, tapos?
1 cup of flour. The one we made kanina. Okay. Stop mixing. Obedient.
Okay.
Okay, so ito yung bowl na may flour kanina, yung may baking soda kineme. So ayan, may cup dyan. Wait, not all. The cup nga eh.
Ito.
Yan, kailangan puno. Cup, put it. Yan. Okay na. Tapos mix ulit. Tama na. Sabi ko isa lang nga, di ba? Hindi nakikinig na. Ay, gulo. I wonder how this is gonna taste like. I mean, I feel like I won't taste bad, but like maybe a little too too sweet or a little walang lasa. Hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sobra-sobra yung nagay niya o kulang.
Magiging masarap to kasi ako nga yung gumawa.
Ha?
Narinig mo ako?
Ay! Gumalan ako ka lang marinig. Ano? Ano?
Sabi ko, bida-bida ka. Alright, back on track!
Magic, malinis na. Yan.
Okay guys, I think patapos na tayo. Unti-unti na lang kasi
Ba't
parang
kailan tayo
feeling
ganun
ko
kung lahat?
ang dami ko nang nagawa. So, yan. Sabi ko, ang dami ko nang
Lahat
nagawa.
yan.
Ha?
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 One by one?
Okay, yung gagawin.
Okay, so, yan, may mga flour dyan, yung kanina mong ginawa. Tapos, yan, cup per cup. Sige pa. As yan, sige, go. Up, wait. Mix muna, one at a time, para matansya natin yung... Hindi ko alam. Kailangan mix kasi, tignan mo yung flour, oh. Yan, ito na yung magiging cookie dough natin! Okay, stop. Stop the car. Stop. Nakakarinig na nga, di pa sumusunod. Ilahat mo na. Wait, andyan pa yung cup.
Sabi mo lahat.
So, yan na yung cookie dough. Kailangan medyo makapal siya para pwede, parang clay, ganun. Parang play dough, ganun. Diba? Tama. Yung consistency niya kailangan para mala play dough. Yan. Okay na. Talia, you have to tell me. I mean, you have to like, act it out. What to do. What? So, he has to scrape. Okay, so, yung whisk na hawak mo, may mga nasama. Kailangan mo
Kailangan ko tanggalin.
Wait! Kuya, nakinig ka naman.
What?
So, andito yung yung spatula. Kailangan mo
Okay.
itanggal yung mga excess. Okay na. Yan. Perfect. So now you put the chocolate. Get the whole bowl and put it all. Yes! Kuya!
Ano? Okay na ba?
Now mix. Mix first. Oh my God! Ang sarap ng coffee effect! We have our cookie dough. The ultimate chocolate chip cookie dough. And now it's time to form them into a cookie. Right?
Ba't ba kayo naghahawak? Ako nga maghahawak eh.
Tignan mo, dito may tray ka.
Oh.
So, dyan mo ilalagay yung cookies. Yung circle. Kuya, have you baked cookies before?
No.
No?
No.
So basically, you have a cookie dough. And you have to get it with a spoon. And then put it here as a circle. So that, like a ball.
Okay,
and then, so that when it's in the oven, it's gonna flatten. Right?
Ano?
Ah!
Ano?
Yeah.
Ano?
Yeah. Kailangan pantay lahat.
Ito?
Okay na yan. Sige, go. Try. Lagay mo dito. My mom's talking to me. I can't hear you.
Okay na pala.
So, you put it there. Ayusin mo. Magkakatabi. Yan, sige. Baba mo. Yan. Perfect. Okay, go. Yan. Yan, like that. So, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, mold it-ish. Yan. Now, ito naman nasa taas. Yan. Ayusin mo. Dapat pantay. Kailangan pala circle. Gawin mong circle. Para ka naglalaro with Play-Doh. Yan. Mold. Perfect!
Uy, okay lang ba yung ginagawa ko?
We washed our hands. Okay, so now we have our cookies ready to get in the oven. So, kuya, here, lagay mo sa oven. Dahan-dahan na, pag yan nahulog talaga. Start over tayo.
Okay, baka ano ako.
So now, we wait for how long? 20 minutes? 12 minutes? 12 minutes? Okay, wait for 12 minutes. Okay, so the cookies are ready. They are here. They are set. They are cooled down. Kuya doesn't know how it looks like. I see it. It looks like cookies. It looks kind of burnt, not gonna lie, but like, I have a feeling that it's gonna taste good, but it smells really good, so... Since ikaw yung nag-bake niyan at gumawa, ikaw muna.
Okay, this is what I made, you know what I'm saying? Let's taste it.
Wow! Umisa pa! Ay, umisa pa! Ay! Hala!
Rob!
Talia! Pero wag ka magsalita. Masarap! Okay guys, so now, since we are done baking, we take off. We put back our senses. 1, 2, 3, go!
Sa mata?
Damn, it's so tahimik. Hey, yo, not gonna lie though, the cookies are pretty good. I genuinely thought it was gonna be a little bit bad because, you know, parang magulo si Kuya kanina.
Alright, so yung cookies na ginawa natin, syempre, pinag-effortan natin yan. Ngayon, i-rate natin kung ano yung lasa niya. Kung masarap ba or hindi, kung sakto lang, or saktong-sakto lang, or sakto lang.
The appearance look like a good 7.
Oh, no. Look.
Yeah. 8. The taste.
The taste.
9. Nice, okay. That's nice. 10 out of 10 and 10 out of 10. Kasi ako gumawa niya.
I-rate
9.
Bakit?
Tigas eh.
Grocery.
Just for my family, like,
Nalasahan ko yung salted butter. Parang yun yung
It's true.
may alat siya. Tapos medyo dry. 7 out of 10.
Nom, nom, nom.
8.5 out of 10. Mahilig ako sa sweets eh. So, kahit matigas siya, taas pa rin yung rating.
Parang ayaw mo.
May pagka-crunchy kaya gusto ko. 8.
we were able to do it and masarap yung kinalabasan. Kinabahan ako kasi baka hindi masarap eh, pero ayan siya ngayon. So, nagawa namin yung recipe from BuzzFeed na chocolate chip cookies. So, if gusto nyo rin gumawa nito, panoorin nyo lang yung video namin tapos gayahin nyo yung mga pinagagawa ko.
Ayusin nyo na lang, guys, ha?
I have to keep on touching natin yan. And Kuya, he's messy. And yeah, it was fun.
We have to work together to be able to do this thing right. So, tinry namin mag-teamwork kahit na mahirap. And yeah, sa akin medyo nadalian ako eh. Kasi inaabot lang nila sa akin yung mga kailangan kong gawin. So, yun lang. Yung lang dyan, hindi ko makita kung tama ba yung placing, ganyan.
Ako nag-enjoy naman po ako dahil yung mga music na napapakinggan ko ay very nice, very catchy, napapasayaw ako. But in the same time, napapagod yung boses ko kasi parang sumisigaw na ako kasi si Kuya hindi nakikinig eh.
Mali ko ba?
But like at the end of the day, we did it. So, very nice.
Good
And
job!
the cookies were actually good. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Guys, make sure to join the GVO network. The link is down below.
For more updates and exclusive updates. And yeah, time to say bye.
Bye!
So, we have... Aray ko, mainit ha?